This is CUBOT Tab 10, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can set Opera as your default browsing app on this device. So first of all, you need to launch the settings. Next, enter the apps and notifications category. Then you want to expand the advanced options, go for the default apps, then choose browser app, and in here simply select Opera just like so, therefore setting it as your default browsing app. There is also the second way to do that directly from the Opera application itself. So let's go ahead, launch the Opera, then we want to go straight for the settings, scroll the page down for a little bit and tap on the default browser. Next, select Opera and choose to set it as default. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and bye bye.